quieter out here though. Traffic's moving a little bit faster, but I'm still generally a bit quicker than those little mopeds that ride around. First impressions of Vietnam, it's people are more than friendly. They'll go out of their way to help you. You're not going to show us dropping those Allen keys, eh?
Very steep. No, the roads just seem to go on forever. Twist and turn them. They're not unrideable. You'll encounter a section where it's sort of, you know, the roads burst apart and they're going to resurface it and all the stones are just laid over the road, and it's like being off-road. But not too bad, not too bad. Too dark, and I nearly got hit off that truck coming down the hill. There's a truck past you with no lights on, and I nearly got hit off it. It's too dangerous.
There's its feet. I guess it's tendons or something. It's just they are the rubber bands. Look. Yeah, rubber. No. We get the map, it should make things a bit easier. Yeah. Query the luggage in any way, shape or form. No. The passport is fairly happy with the visa, and I should have smiled out of them, but it's alright. You know, cycle through into China, the scene going underneath the entry point, but no, I think just to keep things all above board, we'll keep it in the bag for now. Yeah, I've just arrived here and we've got no clue where we are until we get a map. It's no good me jumping on the bike, I could end up anywhere. It's not like a tuk-tuk kind of thing, isn't it? But a bit bigger. Like a fairground ride or something like that. So far.
Trong đây bà Trung Quốc có
We're trying to find a map.
跟他说到南宁转车了，现在没有。
这里没有车，要到南宁。南宁。
This in here now have a final and this they are in this
搭南寧車，搭南寧車。
南寧啊，個車。南寧啊，佢就佢南寧。
This in here now have a car and go to Hanoi.
No, we don't want a car. We want to get a map.
Bây giờ nó muốn đi mua quyển map.
Quyển map nhưng bây giờ lấy đâu ra map?
This in here now have.
No, this city no have a map.
Bỏ đâu mua bản đồ.